Hello everybody, Ms. M here. Today for art we will be doing the split face self-portraits. Today specifically we will be focusing on this sketch of the half of our face. Step 1 is write your name nice and clear on the bottom and flip the page over. Ready to start. Just would like to remind you that we will be sketching lightly, just a rough sketch for this portion. So here you can see me lightly sketching. That's what I expect. No straight lines that are so hard because it'll be hard to erase later on. We're gonna start with a circle at the top half of our page. As you can see, I lightly sketch small lines that slowly connect to make a circle. Sketching lightly is very important to get the proper shape. As you can see, I'm going lightly back and forth, making short small strokes of my pencil to get the proper circular shape, and I'm taking my time to ensure that it is as circular as I can make it. Then with my eraser, I will just be going around and cleaning up the lines a little bit. Next step, we will locate the middle of the circle and make our line that goes straight down. That will be the split of our self-portrait. Next, we will be drawing the jaw and cheek line. So you can see me first visualizing it, then I will lightly sketch a sort of curved line that gets thinner, closer to the bottom. Again, I am lightly sketching, thinking of a jawline, how it goes a little bit narrow as it goes down to the chin area. So that's one side. I look at it, then I'll do the other side. And once you're finished, it should look like an upside down egg. Then using an eraser to clean up the lines a little bit, I just keep doing that until I am satisfied with how the face shape overall looks like so far. Now we will be drawing our lines that will help guide us when we draw our face shapes like the eyes, eyebrows, nose, lip, and ear. So in the half mark of the egg where you see the circle meets the jaw part, that's where our first line is going to be. Again, very, very lightly sketching my line so that it can be easily erased later on. The next line we need to draw is the line that will guide where our nose will be. So looking at the bottom half where the eyes line is and the chin, we're gonna mark that in the middle area and lightly make a line right in the middle of that area. There you have it, and now we are going to draw the last line, which is where our lips will be, and that's again finding the middle of where the nose and the chin is, marking that, and then lightly making a line straight across the face. It should look similar to this. Making lines to guide us is really useful for self-portraits because it's very important that it is proportional. So starting with the eye, The line will be the middle of the eye. You can see I'm doing the top half of the eye, and then I will do the bottom half of the eye. Then right above the eye, we will be drawing the eyebrow. And to draw an eyebrow, you really want to make it look realistic by using small lines and connecting it to make it look like hair. Then for the nose, we'll make only one half of the nose. There it curves in the bottom with a little nostril. For your mouth, it's completely up to you how you would like to make it. You can make it like a closed one like this, or an open mouth with teeth. It's completely up to you. Now we are going to draw an ear, finding the line of the eyes and the nose. Connecting that's where our ear is going to go. So our ear is going to curve down and get slightly narrow towards the end. Ears have some lines in between, just like that. You can erase and keep doing it until you're satisfied with how the ear looks. Then you can draw a neck that goes down just like this. Now comes the last part of today's lesson, which is the hair. Do your best to draw how your hair actually looks. If your hair is long, draw long hair. If it's short, draw short hair. But what's most important is the movement of hair. So movement of hair is adding different strokes, different lines to make it look textured.